In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up on Squarespace. If you're looking to boost engagement on your site or prompt visitors with special offers, adding a pop-up is a great way to do it. Follow along and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. Let's start by heading over to your Squarespace homepage. This is your central hub and all the magic starts here. Once you've logged in and you're on the homepage, you'll see a variety of options available to you. What you're going to want to do next is click on Pages. This is where you manage all the different areas of your website. Now that you're in the Pages section, let's make our way to the Marketing Tools. This is where Squarespace provides you with all sorts of powerful resources to reach your audience more effectively. In Marketing Tools, you'll find a tool specifically for pop-ups. It's called Promotional Pop-up. Once you're in the Promotional Pop-up section, you should look for an option called Change Layout. Clicking this will let you customize how your pop-up appears. There are usually several templates available, so browse through them and see which one fits your needs best. This is your chance to tailor the look and feel of the pop-up to match your overall website design. You want your pop-up to stand out, but also to feel like it's a part of your branding. After choosing a layout, you'll need to select it by clicking Select. This action will confirm your choice and apply that specific layout to the pop-up you're about to create. Once that's done, we're getting closer to the fun part, customizing your pop-up content. Here comes the most creative step. Click on Edit. This is where you can be as inventive as you like. You can add text, images, call to action buttons, and more. Be sure to write compelling copy that grabs the visitor's attention. Think about what action you want them to take when they see this pop-up. Whether it's signing up for a newsletter, taking advantage of a special discount, or simply learning more about what you offer, this is where you make the magic happen. And that's it! You now have a visually appealing and functional pop-up ready to engage your site's visitors. Pop-ups can be a powerful way to connect with your audience, and now you have the know-how to make it happen on your Squarespace site. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further tips, make sure to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.